One of the biggest reasons that people stay stuck in their healing isn't resistance. It isn't denial. It isn't lack of awareness. It isn't that they haven't done enough healing work. It's that they're trying to gain insight before their system has the order to hold it. And when insight comes before internal order, it doesn't land as transformation. It lands as overwhelm and self-judgment or intellectual understanding that doesn't actually create change. So today we're going to talk about something that nobody teaches in the healing spaces. Why sequence matters, why insight is not the first step, and why trying to understand yourself too early can actually keep the patterns in place. Hi guys, I'm Jackie Faber from Finding Authenticity. And I help people create internal order so that healing becomes a lived change, not just an intellectual insight. Okay, so most of us were taught that healing looks somewhat like this. Understand the pattern, process the trauma, gain awareness, change your behavior. Now, don't get me wrong, insight is incredibly powerful. However, there is something that needs to come before it. Order. Not control, not perfection, not fixing yourself. Order means that your internal world has enough safety and stability and orientation that the truth can land without it destabilizing you. So you have probably had moments where you understood something very deeply about yourself. So maybe you knew where your pattern came from. Maybe you recognized that the way that you were behaving was a trauma response. And then you could name exactly why you reacted the way that you did. You have it all figured out. But then you still do that thing. You still over-explain. You still chase that relationship. You still shut down and you still abandon your needs. And I know that that experience confuses a lot of people because they start asking questions like, I know better, but why do I still do this? The answer is actually so simple. Insight organizes the mind. Order organizes the nervous system and the identity. So if your system is still oriented towards survival, insight will become information, but it does not lead to embodiment because survival identity is built around managing safety, even when that safety means repeating the same patterns. So when I say order, I am not talking about following rigid rules or suppressing your emotions. I am talking about internal sequencing. Order is when your system knows where safety lives, how to stay with activation without abandoning yourself, that your needs and your signals are allowed to exist, and that regulation is possible without outsourcing it to other people. So without this order, the insight feels destabilizing because insight will remove your old explanations and your old identities. But if there is nothing underneath supporting it, your system will default back to the familiar pattern, not because it wants you to suffer, but because it prioritizes safety and stability. This is why people can have years of therapy and spiritual learning and self-awareness and still feel like the same relational and emotional loops keep running. They have all of the insight, but their internal order never shifted. So when insight comes before order, three things usually happen. Number one, insight becomes self-criticism. You don't just see the pattern, you start judging yourself for having it. You think, I know better, I should be doing better, I should be farther along than this, why am I reacting this way? Which all of that stuff actually increases your nervous system threat. Number two, insight becomes intellectualization. So you can explain your trauma beautifully. You can teach a course on attachment theory. You understand nervous system states, but in real time, your body still overrides your awareness. It's because information alone does not reorganize survival wiring. And then number three, insight creates identity collapse without having a replacement. This is the part that nobody talks about. When you see through all of your old roles and your old identities and your old patterns, you lose the structure that organized those choices. And if there is no ordered internal foundation underneath, it feels like anxiety or confusion or emptiness. And then people misinterpret this as I'm getting worse or I have failed. But what actually happened is this. The insight removed something before the order had something stable to stand on. From my experience and from working with clients, real healing usually follows a different order than most people expect. It tends to look like this. First, regulation and safety building. Learning how to stay with yourself, learning to recognize activation without immediately reacting. Then your orientation shifts. You move from survival-based relating to self-referencing safety. And then insight becomes transformational, because when insight lands inside of a regulated, self-anchored system, it does not destabilize you. It reorganizes you. This is why two people can hear the exact same information, and for one person, it becomes a life shift, and for the other, it's just another piece of information. Sequence determines impact. Now, this shows up everywhere. In relationships and boundaries and emotional regulation work and identity work and spiritual growth. People try to understand why they fawn before learning how to feel safe disappointing somebody. People try to understand their abandonment wounds before learning that they can stay safe with loneliness. Or understand authenticity before tolerating disapproval. Insight then becomes something you chase instead of allowing it be something that is revealed when the system is ready to hold it. This is exactly why I created my recognition manual, because this manual is not built around teaching you more insight. It's built around helping you establish internal order first. It walks you through recognizing activation, learning how to stay with yourself, understanding your survival identity, and creating that internal structure allows truth to land safely and sustainably, because healing is not about knowing yourself better. It's about being able to stay with yourself when truth shows up. If this conversation resonated with you, I will leave a link to the manual inside the video's description. It's designed to be lived with, not just read. And if this video helped you shift your understanding of healing, make sure you like, share, subscribe, do all of the things so you know when I release new content. Thank you for being here. I will see you in the next video.